Hey guys, it is day one of my journey, and so I just wanted to make a little video to commence the day and to invite you all along if you want to follow. I was just in Seattle last week. I'm in Utah right now, and I'm headed east to Vermont, where I will be spending my summer interning at a farm and living in a yurt without any electricity or running water or toiletry facilities. So the 5-gallon bucket that you see behind me, that's not just any old bucket, ladies and gentlemen. That could be my toilet for the next several months. So that's exciting. I'm going to be working the earth and milking some cows and killing some chickens, which for anybody that knows me is a little terrifying. But you know, I'm up for a new adventure, so I figured it might be interesting enough for a blog and to share. So I'm putting it out there. If you want to follow along, that's great. If you don't, that's totally fine. I'm not offended, but I hope you do. So anyway, here goes. Wish me luck, and until next time. All right, peace out.